I want to show you the fill handle. Let's just type in A1, for example. Now we go here, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Now instead of doing all that, Excel can autofill it for you. Now you see where my cursor is when I put it right at the corner of the cell. See how it turns into a plus sign? Now that is the fill handle. So we can automatically fill in for you. Now here, Sunday, you can do the same thing. Put her at the corner here, and it'll automatically fill in for you. Now, if you did 1, or any kind of number, sometimes it'll just copy it. Okay, so when that happens, you have to hit the box, and then you can tell it to fill. Now, when we work with dates, say 2020 1/1. Okay, January 1st, 2020. Now, when you do this, see how it goes by the date, but we'll say you wanted to do months instead. So instead of clicking on the left button, you're going to click on the right button. Okay, so let's go back up here. Hit that fill handle, and we'll click on the right button this time and drag it down. And then that'll pop up and say you fill in the months. So boom. So now it'll fill in every month. So sometimes when you see me doing a formula, like equals this, okay? And sometimes I'll just here and I'll double click and it'll automatically fill in. See? It just filled in with all these. So now when you look at a formula, see A1 to C1, so it's that one and that one put together. But when you click in the formula box, it'll automatically show you what is cells are used in the formula. Like when you go here, it's those ones that are used. Now, you can actually manipulate it. This is a little advanced, but say, no, I want to use this one instead. You can actually see when it turns into that. See how the mouse changes there? When that happens, then you can click and you can actually move that. And then when you press enter, it's using these two numbers now. And you can even change that to go here. See, now it's E5 Sunday. So click in there. Let's just bring it back to where it was before. Oh, that's that. It's this one that's different. Bring that one back up. Now, that was the fill handle, but I'm just going to show you something different here. Say, so we know how to insert. So just select the entire row. You can insert a row. Well, here, you can insert a column. Okay. And you can adjust your column sizes and your row sizes. Alright. So say you want this to automatically fit in here. When you go to the top of this column, and then as soon as the cursor changes to that, you can double click and it'll change. Okay. Say for example, hey, my numbers aren't fitting in here. You can do the same thing. Go here, double click, and then it'll fit in for you. That's good. That's good for now.